In this tutorial we will show you how easy and quick you can adapt each template to your needs, irrespective of whether it's a template from the library or your own design. We need to change the icons, delete one block, rearrange another block and have more than 3 bullets in one row and less than 3 subitems in another row. Let's start with eliminating one block, in this case the one with the tree icon. Select the row, and click on Delete Row. Next, let's put the row with the diamond icon first. Select the row you want to move and click on Move Above. Then, we need 5 sub-items in the first row, but only 2 in the last row. Select the respective row, and there the corresponding multi-items object. Then click on Add Subitem or Delete Subitem to configure each row. Finally, let's change the icons to our needs. Click on each icon and then on Change Graphic. This opens the powerful PowerPoint library of icons. Feel free to choose what you need. Nice! But probably we still want to make the bullet points round. Select a bullet point. Click on Shape Format and Edit Shape to choose a circle. In the Object Properties, choose a 1:1 aspect ratio to make the circle perfectly round. Lastly, review font size and numbering to suit your need. We want now numbers, not letters, and it should be a smaller font size. To finish it up, we will change the style applied to the titles. We want them to be thinner and have a different color, so this is it. We hope you like how quick and easy you can transform any smart art into your own design.